here I have my Moringa tree. This is about a 1.5 year old tree. It was about, I would say, easily 8 to 9 foot tall, and I had trimmed it back about 3 months ago. Actually, I've trimmed it back probably 3 or 4 times. This is gonna probably be the last harvest, and then I'll just throw this thing away, literally get rid of it, and I'll just plant some seeds and start a new one, okay? This is probably one of the most nutritional and easy to grow trees, but it's really survival food, be honest with you. It's also good if you're trying to, and I'm talking from personal experience, I'm not giving you any medical advice. Many people had told me this plant could lower cholesterol. It could do so many other things too, like it could even grow hair, okay? And I was balding and now my hair is growing back. No, I'm just kidding. But I'll tell you what is a fact in my particular case. This Moringa tree actually lowered my cholesterol without ever taking any cholesterol medication. But this tree is amazing. You can look it up on my peppiesplants.com. You can also go to bestmoringatrees.com. These leaves are completely edible, and they are going to be very, very nutritious for you. Add them to salads and so on. And in countries where the supply of the food and nutrition is not so great, you're going to get a burst of energy, and you're going to get so much nutrition: calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, protein. You pretty much have everything that you could possibly want. Now, the one thing, what I just did here, if you try that, you're going to have a great experience, because you're going to start feeling like your mouth is a little bit on fire, because it's very spicy. At first, it's just like you're eating a lettuce. And then about 30 seconds later, that little peppery spice hits you. And it's that peppery spice, the calcium, the magnesium, the amino acids, all of that that's in this plant is what makes you, usually, in most cases, a happy camper. Now, I'll tell you a story. I sold a plant like this when I used to sell plants to a guy. He came to me, he bought a 6-foot tree. Not 6 foot, I'm sorry, I'm exaggerating. He bought about a 2.5 foot tree, small tree, lots of leaves, beautiful little tree. Took it home, chopped the whole thing up, put it in the blender, and he made himself a juice, drank it, he took himself to the hospital, he wanted to kill me. Okay, I kid you not. I never told this guy to take the whole tree. I told him take a little bit of leaves, okay, put them in your salad. No, he decided to juice the whole tree. Well, true story. He's okay, he came back to see me, he says, man, I did something crazy. I go, yeah, and that was the story he told me. So he's still alive, he still uses Moringa, but he respects the Moringa. And by the way, he had to buy another tree because he juiced the entire tree. Did you get that part? Okay. Peppy here, Peppy's Plants, short little video clip about the Moringa tree growing in the yard.